Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well today. Welcome if you are new to the channel, and I hope you guys are doing well too. Yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. So today I ended up taking a look at some more advanced Python and also how to handle errors. Yeah, I also figured out and planned the rest of my week, so more on that later. I also have a surprise video on Saturday, so do not miss out on that. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Yeah. So I learned about polymorphism, super, and also Maro. Also learned how to use functional programming and also about pure functions. We can go ahead and get right into polymorphism. So it is basically object class with like share method name. Makes it very easy for the choice for objects. I also learned about super, which refers to the user, so you won't have to like use the self object. Maro, which checks classes from lowest to highest for the number. And also for functional programming, which is basically like splitting up concerns in programming, makes it easy to extend, and it also uses the dry formula. With that, use pure functions, and so pure functions contain all functions. It doesn't affect the outside programming world that you're using at all. It's its own little spot or base. Pure functions can they can create less buggy code since it's in their own space instead of being able to use by the outside. Yeah, it's what should I do with the item and how should I return it? So let's go ahead and talk about that. For that we have map, filter, zip, and reduce. And for that I also learned how to use reduce for map and filter. So you're basically able to add it in for that. So let's go ahead and talk about filter. So filter basically filters out the new results and keeps it simple for what you use. Zip, which you can zip items together like two lists. So you know in databases how you'll have like two different types of data and you have to put them together. Well, if you use zip, you're able to do exactly that, and it's very easy. I can go ahead and give you guys a tutorial on all four of these at some point if you'd like. Just let me know down in the comments below. So yeah, you can basically combine database items to create a whole new data structure. Zip iterates over data and zips it together. We also have reduce, which is not actually a built-in function for Python, but you can build map and filter with reduce too. Like I talked about before, you're able to create that. Although it is not a Python function, you'll have to insert that in. I also learned about lambda. It's like an anonymous function, which you can use only once. Also, I learned a little about decorators and how they make a function have extra features that you can use for it. It's actually a lot easier when you use decorators. You can use a decorator to measure performance of code. So it's really good for optimizing different parts of code. I actually used it in a couple implications today too on my old website that I had uploaded, and it made it a lot easier because I added in Python code for that. So yeah, I also learned about error handling and how exceptions are errors that basically just crash a program. You can also use like value or exception to throw errors and create your own errors if you'd like. Yeah, guys, that was pretty much it for today. I learned a couple things as far as for my implication when it comes to job search, and I can go ahead and talk to you guys about that on my next video. I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy.